Well, what do you think? I think we know what might leak, huh? I'm thinking it's somewhere in here. Because it seems like the heaviest on that side. I'll have to take this thing all apart, huh? That is Library Sportsman Club. I did some disc mulching in through here. This is where the new shop's going to be. Look at the cloud structure. So yeah, we're gonna use this equipment to dig that out, level it out. Well, let's get back to this. Bulldozers are fun. Back to the grind.